Hello, group of my favorite fans. If there's any out there, I'm a new person. I brought my Aunt Millie because her little rose thing will give you any essence you need. And you will be fine. So, now, if you got the hiccups off of drinking or anything, you need to drink. See, I have the hiccups now. And I need to go in and drink me some apple cider. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Some apple cider vinegar. But, oh, see, there I go hiccuping again. My lovely fan. Drink you your apple cider vinegar and get Aunt Millie up there and she'll give you some essence. Did you hear that? I was hiccuping. So, I'm gonna let you go for now. Just drink some apple cider vinegar and get you an Aunt Millie. She's a bunty.